After a high-pressure system settled over the eastern parts of the country, we could see fog patches this morning in Limpopo and northwest. These will clear rapidly after sunrise, and then it will become quite windy over the western interior. Fine conditions will be associated with higher temperatures along the southern and eastern coastline, and we're keeping the forecast for the country dry today. But although we're expecting a lot of sunshine, it's still going to be cold on the high ground. Only 15 degrees in Sutherland, 16 in Bethlehem, slightly warmer than that in Johannesburg with a high of 18, Pretoria at 20 degrees, and a lovely day along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, 25 in Richards Bay, and Durban warming up to 23. Lower 20s along the Eastern Cape coastline, East London at 22, Cape Town at 21 degrees, and a lovely day in Vredendal with a maximum of 27, although it will be much cooler than that just to the east of the escarpment, with Springbok warming up to 20. It's going to be a gusty Bergwind day along the west coast, speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour in Lambert's Bay. There's an open ocean swell of 2 meters and low tide expected just after 10:30. Along the southwest coast, winds blowing parallel to the coastline, speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour in False Bay today, with an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters. The offshore winds will persist along the southern coastline, wind speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour in Port Elizabeth. There's an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters with a southwesterly direction, and low tide can be expected just after 11 o'clock this morning. Finally, along the east coast, light winds in East London with a wind speed of 15 kilometers per hour, associated with an open ocean swell of 2 meters, but stronger winds are likely along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal with speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour in Richards Bay.
News that moves. eNCA.com.